Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful start to the new year. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing what is new from OHM Beads for January 2026. So if you are ready, make sure to grab your favorite choice of beverage. I'm enjoying a delicious cup of green tea. And let's dive on in. Now we have 4 different beads that are coming out releasing from OHM Beads. One is called the Horse Hoedown. Then we have Bless Your Heart. The other side will always reveal itself, which is a glass bead. And then lastly, Feelings Clashing Makes Sense. And that is also a glass bead. So here's a little look inside the box. I love this little rocking horse. I just thought it was so adorable to represent the year of the horse. It's really, really cute. I'm almost debating about making it into a little Christmas ornament or something. I love that it has a little OHM Beads logo right on the bottom. I just think that is such a sweet detail. Now let's head in, let's open up the first bead. Now I have 3 of the beads of the 4, I should say, that I'm going to be sharing with you. The first glass bead is called Feelings Clashing Makes Sense. It features this fun pop of orange, there's hints of white and blue, and it's a very striking piece. It feels very energizing when I look at it, especially ringing in the new year and the winter blues. It's been very wintry where I am, so just seeing these vibrant colors just feel very, very cheerful. Now, moving along, we're going to open up the next box, and this glass bead is called The Other Side Will Always Reveal Itself. It is my favorite of the 3 beads that I've unboxed for the January preview. I just love the colors, number one. I love the blues, the reds, the yellows, those little kind of whites. It's kind of like a reddish brown color. It's really beautiful. It looks like a work of art. It's very pretty. It's very artistically done. And what I like about it, just not to give the whole meaning behind it, because this is a shorter video, but it does talk a lot about self-reflection, kind of that self-discovery, thinking about ourselves and who you were, who you will be, kind of that idea. So I really love that theme to it. Now the last bead is a funny one. I think it's a little tongue-in-cheek, but it's called Bless Your Heart. So one side, I prefer one side over the other. I'm sure you can guess which side I prefer. And this one I think is really cleverly done. It definitely has like kind of mixed messages when people say bless your heart. I like one side of it. I'm not the biggest fan of the other side, but I'm sure that's no surprise to anyone who watches my videos. So when I'm styling it, I'm definitely going to be styling it on the side of someone blessing, but I do like the kind of tongue-in-cheek idea to this. Now, when I saw this, it did make me think a little bit of Love Snap, which is from a Valentine's Day collection release from, oh my goodness, I think it's like quite a few years back, but I'm like, I definitely need to style Love Snap with this. I just think they would be cool because you have the hand details. I'm going to do a mini design incorporating these 3 new beads with Love Snap onto. I was actually considering doing a necklace, but I realized that I actually don't have the proper OHM Beads necklace for Bless Your Heart. So ultimately I decided to do a bracelet design. And then I kind of got torn between my 2 OHM Beads bracelets. At first I was considering this one, thought it might be pretty, but then ultimately I just went for the classic OHM oxidized bracelet. And then I have the little fire stoppers on it. I love the oxidized bangles. They're kind of my go-to for OHM Beads. I just really, really love them. So that is what I picked out. So we're going to add on all the beads here and also share another little look at them so you can kind of see the beads in motion on a bracelet so you can see each of them. This one again is called Feelings Clashing Makes Sense. So you can see the bright oranges, the blues. We're going to slide that over and now we're going to add on the next OHM bead. So over here, I'm going to put on Love Snap. So this isn't new. You might have seen this before on OHM Beads' website. It's like a little heart shape with the thumb and the index finger. And I just think it's cute. I just like how it nods to Bless Your Heart and the hand details in it. We'll add that OHM bead on next. And here is a little look. It's very shiny. And I do like that you can wear this as a necklace option too. I really, really love that. I did that. My team and I actually did that for our bead OHM Resilience, and I love wearing that both as a necklace or as a dangle charm, because you can also do this as a dangle if you have the OHM ball, or you can of course add it onto a necklace design. And then here again is The Other Side Will Always Reveal Itself. This is my favorite from the release. There's just something so artistic and so special about it. So here they are all styled together on my OHM Beads bangle. Again, this is the oxidized bangle. Really love the bright bluey colors. There's just something that feels very energizing. I think it's just because though It's been so gloomy where I am, like, there's been no sun, like, I mean, there's sun somewhere hiding behind so many clouds. So it's nice just to see some brighter colors, some more cheerful colors. I'm even gravitating myself in terms of fashion, outfits, brighter colors, bright blues, reds, pinks, things like that. I think I just need that sense of color in my life, so I am really enjoying the pops of orange and blues a lot. The January release will be launching on January 13th, 2026. So if you'd like to learn more information about these beads, I will have links down below in the description bar so you can kind of read up on the description, more of the inspirations behind them, but those links won't actually work until January 13th. Or just head on over to the OHMbeads website on January 13th and you can take a look at all these new beads releasing then. I'm really, really excited to see how other people are going to style these. I'm like, there's a lot of ambassadors, so definitely check out their previews as well so you can figure out some different styling ideas, a different way of looking at the different beads and things too. And here's just a quick look at my bangle design on my wrist. I know sometimes it's helpful to see the beads actually on being worn and how they look and how they size up. So here is a little look. And also, I was commenting that I've been wearing like a lot of brighter colors. I'm also wearing this fun, bright kind of pinky sweater. Again, just because I've just been loving color lately. And it's a little bit odd. I think if you followed me for quite some time on my channel, you will definitely know that I do kind of gravitate more towards neutrals, pastels, and I am just on this like color fix right now. I'm just loving colors. So here is one last look at the different beads releasing on January 13th. Let me know down below which one is your favorite, and feel free to use my ambassador code Emily in all capital letters to save 22% on flower and nature themed OHM beads. A special thank you to OHMbeads for gifting me this box to review, and to all of you as well. And I'm wishing you all a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I will see you in my next video.